In a historic move, the United Arab Emirates has taken delivery of the first batch of French Rafale fighter jets under a landmark deal valued at 63.5 billion dirhams. This acquisition not only marks a major upgrade for the UAE's Air Force but also signifies a deepening strategic partnership between the UAE and France. The Rafale fighter jet, developed by Dassault Aviation, is renowned for its versatility and advanced combat capabilities. As a multi-role platform, it has been designed to handle air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and nuclear deterrence missions all in one sleek, agile aircraft. This deal is more than just an arms purchase. It represents a strategic alignment between two nations with shared security interests. By opting for the Rafale, the UAE aims to boost its air defense and modernize its military, ensuring readiness against emerging threats in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. The agreement is structured as a comprehensive package. Beyond the jets themselves, it includes extensive training for pilots and ground crew, maintenance support, and periodic software upgrades to keep the fleet at the cutting edge of technology. The phased delivery schedule is designed to integrate the new aircraft seamlessly into the UAE's defense infrastructure over the coming years. Officials from both nations have emphasized that this deal is not a one-off transaction but a long-term partnership. It underscores a mutual commitment to innovation and operational excellence in air combat. Let's talk about what makes the Rafale so special. The fighter boasts state-of-the-art avionics, including advanced radar systems, precision-guided munitions, and a highly responsive fly-by-wire control system. These features enable it to operate effectively in both high-intensity conflict and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Moreover, the Rafale's versatility allows it to perform a wide range of missions, from air-to-air combat to close air support, making it an ideal choice for the UAE, which seeks to maintain a robust and flexible defense posture. Strategically, the acquisition of Rafale jets comes at a time when regional security challenges are evolving rapidly. Analysts view this deal as a signal that the UAE is positioning itself as a key player in maintaining stability in the Middle East. The enhanced capabilities provided by the Rafale will serve both as a deterrent to potential adversaries and as a cornerstone of the nation's broader defense strategy. In addition, this purchase is likely to spur further military collaborations and technology transfers between the UAE and France. Such cooperation could extend to other areas of defense and aerospace, contributing to innovation and long-term strategic advantages for both countries. Have praised the deal as a watershed moment. French defense representatives have highlighted the Rafale's advanced design and combat performance, while UAE officials are optimistic about the boost this acquisition will provide to their Air Force capabilities. During press conferences, spokespersons from the UAE underscored the nation's commitment to modernizing its military infrastructure, a move that aligns with its broader vision of national security and regional influence. Meanwhile, French experts expressed confidence that the Rafale will set new benchmarks in performance and reliability for any air force equipped with this cutting-edge technology in a region marked by shifting alliances and emerging security threats. A delivery of the Rafale jets is a timely reinforcement of the UAE's defense posture. This acquisition not only strengthens the nation's military capabilities but also sends a powerful message to its neighbors and global observers alike that the UAE is committed to maintaining a modern, agile, and formidable air force. Experts suggest that as the Rafale jets are gradually integrated, they will contribute to a strategic balance that could deter aggression and foster stability in an otherwise volatile region. The ripple effects of this deal might well influence future defense policies and collaborations across the Middle East. In conclusion, the historic deal to acquire the Rafale fighter jets is a significant milestone for the UAE. Valued at 63.5 billion dirhams, the deal not only enhances the nation's defense capabilities but also cements a long-term strategic partnership with France. As further deliveries take place, the global defense community will be watching closely to see how this collaboration shapes the future of military technology and regional security.